Which challenge do hydrophytes face regarding water availability? Hydrophytes are plants adapted to live in aquatic environments where they face the challenge of managing an abundance of water and limited oxygen. Their structural adaptations, like erythema, help them stay afloat and manage gas exchange in these waterlogged conditions. What type of substance reacts with acids to produce salt and water? Bases react with acids in a neutralization reaction to produce salt and water by exchanging ions. This is a fundamental concept in Arrhenius and Brensted-Lowry acid-base theories used in chemical analysis. Nonmetals generally form acidic oxides and do not typically react with acids to produce salt and water. Other acids do not react with acids to form salt and water. They may only mix or undergo complex reactions if one is significantly stronger. Salts are the products of acid-base reactions and do not typically react with acids to produce more salt and water. Where does evaporation of water occur from? Evaporation is a surface phenomenon where liquid water from oceans, lakes, and land turns into vapor due to solar energy. It is a critical component of the hydrological cycle that moves water from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere. What is the primary effect of supplied heat energy on boiling water after it reaches 100 degrees Celsius? Once water reaches its boiling point, the temperature remains constant at 100 degrees Celsius while the added heat is used as latent heat of vaporization. This energy breaks the intermolecular bonds to transform the liquid into steam. Similar to water flowing from higher to lower ground, how does an electric charge always flow? Electric potential difference creates the driving force that moves positive charges from a point of higher potential to a point of lower potential. This principle is fundamental to Ohm's law and is analogous to gravitational potential where water flows from a higher elevation to a lower one. What does the transpiration pull ensure in relation to water flow? Transpiration pull is a suction force created by the evaporation of water from leaves, which draws water upward through the xylem vessels. This mechanism, supported by cohesion and adhesion, allows plants to transport water against gravity to great heights. What happens to water vapor when it comes into contact with a cold surface? Condensation is the phase change where water vapor loses thermal energy and transforms back into liquid water upon hitting a cooler surface. This process is a fundamental part of the water cycle and is responsible for dew formation. Evaporation is the opposite process where liquid water turns into gas due to heat. Freezing involves a liquid turning into a solid, which requires temperatures to drop to the freezing point. Sublimation is the direct transition of a solid to a gas without passing through the liquid phase. Water is known to dissolve a vast array of substances, including which types? Water is known as the universal solvent because its high dielectric constant and polar nature allow it to dissolve both ionic compounds and polar covalent compounds. This property is vital in biological and chemical systems for transporting nutrients and facilitating reactions. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.